To make your screen stay on while on battery power in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Settings and then select Power and Battery. Tap or click Screen and Sleep and then tap on battery power, turn off my screen drop-down menu, scroll down and then select Never. Okay, now on battery power, turn off my screen, set as Never. Sleep is set to Never when on battery power, which decrease battery life. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.